If you're into grilling, you probably know how much of a difference a good grill can make, whether it's burgers for a quick dinner or a full-on barbecue for friends and family. Having the right grill just makes everything easier. And honestly, quite fun. Which is why I wanted to talk about the Weber Summit Gas Grill. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're getting into the Weber Summit Gas Grill GC38S, a grill that a lot of people really seem to love. I'll walk you through its standout features, how it performs, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth the price. And if you're interested in getting one for yourself, I've included an affiliate link in the description down below that'll take you straight to BBQ Guys, where you might even be able to grab a discount. That said, let's jump right into it. Okay, so the Weber has been a trusted name in grilling for decades, and if you've ever looked into grills, their name has probably come up. They're known for creating products that are durable, user-friendly, and consistently reliable. The Weber Summit GC38S is a part of their premium lineup, designed for people who want more than just a basic grill. It's for anyone serious about backyard cooking. What sets Weber apart is the attention to detail they put into their grills. The Summit isn't just for grilling burgers. It's equipped to handle everything from searing steaks to slow cooking ribs, or even roasting on the rotisserie. On top of that, its sleek modern design isn't just functional, it adds a polished high-end look to your outdoor space. Now let's talk about what makes the Weber Summit Gas Grill GC38S stand out. First off, this grill is packed with features that make it more than just your average backyard grill. It's like having a full outdoor kitchen at your fingerprints. Starting with the build quality, the Summit is made with stainless steel components that aren't just durable, but also give it that polished, high-end look. It's built to last through all kinds of weather, so you're investing in something you can count on for years. Now, when it comes to cooking space, you're looking at 681 square inches of primary grilling area, plus a warming rack. Whether you're grilling for a small family or crowd, there's plenty of room to cook multiple dishes all at once, without feeling cramped. And one of these standout features has got to be the sear station. This is perfect for getting those restaurant quality grill marks on your steaks, adding that extra touch. Another great feature is the rotisserie burner, which is great for slow roasting whole chickens, roasts, or even turkey. On top of that, the built-in smoker box is really cool and lets you add that smoky flavor to your food without needing a separate smoker. It's great for experimenting with different flavors, whether you're smoking ribs or adding a hint of woodsy aroma to your burgers. The Summit also makes your life easier with LED-lit control knobs, so you can see everything clearly even if you're grilling after it's dark. And let's not forget the grease management system, which helps with the cleanup. And finally, the side burners and prep space make things so much easier. For example, you can heat up sauces, boil water, or keep side dishes warm without having to run back and forth to the kitchen. It's all right there. Plus, the built-in tool hooks keep everything organized and within reach, so you're not scrambling for tongs or a spatula while you're cooking. That being said, let's talk about the pricing and warranty because, let's be honest, this is where a lot of decisions actually happen. The Weber Summit GC38S Natural Gas Grill Center is available on BBQ Guys for $4,999. And it comes with free shipping, which is always nice for something this size. But if that feels like a big investment upfront, BBQ Guys makes it easier with financing options, starting at $161 per month. This way, you can enjoy all the premium features of the Summit without needing to pay the full amount upfront. Now, this grill comes in either a natural gas model that connects directly to your home's gas line, which is perfect if you're looking for convenience and never want to worry about running out of the fuel mid-cook. Or you can opt for the propane version, which works with refillable propane tanks. This is a great option if you're looking for flexibility or need a more portable setup. And here's a bonus. Right now, BBQ Guys is offering a free gift with every Weber grill purchase. So if you're thinking about picking one up, it's a good time to take advantage of that. And as for the warranty, Weber backs this grill with a 10-year limited warranty, which covers defects in materials and workmanship. It's the kind of coverage that gives you peace of mind knowing you're protected for years to come. Plus, BBQ Guys offers optional product protection through Extend, which you can add if you want even more coverage for your grill. And again, if you're thinking about getting one, I've included an affiliate link in the description down below, where you might even be able to save on your purchase. Alright, so while I don't personally own the Weber Summit, I do have a different Weber grill at home that I absolutely love. but my parents actually have this exact model, and it totally makes sense for them. They host a lot, so having a grill like this is perfect for their lifestyle. They've been using it all the time, whether it's for quick weeknight dinners like grilled chicken or burgers, or full-on barbecues when the entire family comes over. According to them, the cooking performance is amazing. The even heat distribution really stands out. There are no frustrating hot or cold spots, so everything cooks perfectly. They also love the sear station for steaks, which gives those beautiful grill marks, and the rotisserie burner has been a game changer for slow roasting. Another thing they've mentioned is how versatile it is. The smoker box is their favorite for adding that smoky barbecue flavor to ribs or brisket, and the side burners come in handy for heating up sauces or side dishes while everything else is on the grill. They've also said that the lead-lit knobs are surprisingly useful for grilling after dark, which happens more often than you'd think. But of course, there are a couple of little things to keep in mind, like the setup took a bit longer than they expected, but once it was put together, it's been great ever since. And while the grease management system does its job, it can fill up faster than you'd think if you're cooking something really fatty, like ribs. That said, they see these as pretty minor compared to how reliable and easy the Summit has been to use overall. Wrapping up this review, if you're wondering whether the Weber Summit Gas Grill GC38S is worth it, in my opinion, it's a great choice. Especially if you're someone who takes grilling seriously or enjoys hosting gatherings. With its durable construction, versatile features, and impressive cooking performance, it's clear that Weber built this grill to offer a premium outdoor cooking experience. Whether it's for quick weeknight dinners or those big family barbecues, the Summit makes grilling easier, more enjoyable, and consistently reliable. It's a solid investment for anyone looking to elevate their backyard cooking game. Anyway, that's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful or interesting, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one. And just to reiterate one more time, if you're thinking about getting one for yourself, I've included an affiliate link in the description down below, where you might even be able to save on your purchase. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.